Hi, this is James from Evolution Designs, and today we're going to continue with another episode for Zootools. On the last episode, we spoke about what Zootools is and how it can work for you. But basically, Zootools, from last episode, we learned that Zootools is a bookmarking service similar to Delicious, but it saves web pages with images and pictures and shows them on your profile, as well as the site is dofollow, unlike Delicious, where it does not save anything but the link and it is not dofollow. On today's episode, we're going to talk more about how the tool is useful and about, in particular, how to use the save this page feature of the website and how on the bookmarks it will work for you and how you could use it for your site or any other site you just want to get information across and then share it across the different networks such as Delicious or through. Alright, the next step after we've got everything sorted out and set up is to actually show you how to save a web page. The first thing you want to do is you're going to select a website. What I chose to use is First Web Designer. They're one of my favorite places to grab resources for web design, graphic art, whatever it is that's related to development. As you can see there, they have some latest information. I have already read this article here, 20 plus awesome Flickr groups, and what I'd like to do with this group here, with this, I should say, this page, is I want to go ahead and save this so I can remember to come back for it and go through it a little closer in the future. So what I'll do here is I'm going to go ahead and use save this tool. So save this page, which I saved Zootool save page. It's going to pop up. Now this can take a few minutes to or it could take a couple minutes, all depends. There's a lot of different things, variations and variables going on in the background that we don't know about. So once it comes up, you'll see either the image of the picture or you'll see this. Don't worry about it. Eventually it'll populate to the picture of basically the website page. So you're going to select your pack. I'm going to save this under Design Resources. I'm going to save, put it as Flickr, because it is part of the Flickr network. Then I will go ahead and put design groups, because that's what it's related to. And in order to create these tags, if you don't already have them created, is you write the word out, put a comma, space it, or hit enter, and it creates a new one. And that's good enough. So I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit more about this information. So you've got Flickr groups for logo and web design, and then you've got your description, which if you want to change either one of these, you just hit the pencil and it gives you the option to change it. You hit OK to save it. If you want to share it to Twitter, you can, but as you can see, it sends it to your Zoo and not just the link to the website or back to your profile to see that image. What you're going to want to do is use that the Avery tool to do that if you want to share to both. Then you can go to Facebook and send it as Facebook if you want. If you want to go to email, then you can send it to your friends, up to 10 friends. Then this is where you're going to send it to auto post to other sites. As of right now, I have it set to Delicious and Tumblr. And now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and click add. And at this point, it could take a few minutes to populate across all the different sites that I have it saved. And so let's go ahead and start with on the Zootool page. And I'm going to go to Profile. And as you can see, it's already there. If you click on it, you get a print screen of the page. You can either trash it, you can share it with others, or you can edit it. As you can see, it has my name, the minutes, or when it was stored, or hours, whatever it is, how many times it's been viewed, link back to the zoo, and the tags. And if you want to write a comment about it or someone else's, you can do that, and then you can like it if you like. So I'm going to go ahead and like that, just to show what it looks like. And then I'm going to go to my zoo. And there you see it in the zoo, and of course you click on it, it sends you right back here. Over in Delicious, let me refresh that. It's still not there. So let's go over to Tumblr, and like I said, it could take a few minutes. And of course it's going to be one of those days where it's going to take a few minutes. But let me just kind of show you. This is one I saved the other night, and this is basically a link to a typewriter USB gives you the link, and then it gives you the description, and here's what an image, saving an image would look like. And of course they were saving a video to the Zootool as well. And let's go back over here, just take a look at it, and let's see what it looks like under profile. Again, as you can see, it's not there, and then of course if you go to page, there it is. So as you can see, it does work, and of course, as you can tell, as I explained, it does take a few minutes to show up. Let's try again and see if it's there. And then let's try over here again. It's refreshing. There you go. It looks like it's slowly populating, and as you can tell, this gives you the description of what they used, and then if I just click on that, it sends me back to this site. And I accidentally opened the screen up, sorry about that, guys. And let's go back over to Delicious. Delicious seems to be the slowest to populate, but as you can tell, it's there. And of course, if you want to change up your tags or anything, you can do that as well. And that is pretty much it. And that is Zootool in a nutshell. There is other features to this, but as of right now, these are some of the best features available, and these are what I mostly use for Zootool. If you have any other questions about Zootool or any other any other social network I'm part of, and you're interested in getting together, or if you want to link with me, you can always come out to my website at evolutionarydesign.net/blog, or you can reach me through Internet Now sales page and just kind of click on the contact and contact me through email there. And of course, you can always reach me through Flickr. Sorry, not Flickr. You can always reach me through Twitter or through Facebook, and you can always send me an email through my contact on Evolutionary Design's website as well.